Is acne a face full of oil pits? The struggle is real for people with oily skin and acne problems. But in today's video, I will be sharing with you a remarkable product range from an Indian skincare brand which has become my absolute favorite very quickly. And it definitely has some really great products if you suffer with acne, if you suffer with clogged pores, and if you have pimples and such problems from time to time. Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I am Bon and welcome to my channel. A lot of you had suggested that I shoot a video for oily and acne prone skin type and what kind of skincare routine that you should follow. And I wanted to try out these products for a while myself before I could share my opinion. And here is the video finally for you guys. And also please bear in mind that all the opinions that I'm sharing in this video are completely of my own, and this video is not sponsored in any way or form. And with that, let's get into today's video. And if you haven't guessed already, the brand in today's video is none other than the Plum Goodness skincare brand. And I'm talking about their green tea range, which has an exceptionally great range of products that work really well to control and tame acne problems, that pump in a lot of antioxidants in your skin and also help with pore related problems. So the green tea range by Plum of course comes with its primary ingredient, Camellia sinensis, which is basically green tea itself, that is extremely rich and potent in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, but also comes with glycolic acid, which is a very potent AHA that helps in chemical exfoliating your skin, which is basically improving your skin's texture, that improves your skin's luminosity and also helps clearing out clogged pores of your skin, which basically lead to less sebum production and hence less acne, less breakouts and less pore related problems. Another thing to remember while using these products is that while I use them as a nighttime skincare routine because they contain glycolic acid, which is a very sun sensitive AHA, if you do use them in the morning time, do make sure that you wear a sunscreen and do not try and use them in combination with vitamin C serums because they can be too much of a harsh and strong combination for your skin. So from the entire range of the green tea products, I only selected and picked out a few products that I felt I needed for my skin and that would work best for my combination to dry skin. So the first product that I have to share with you is the green tea pore cleansing face wash, which is a very gentle and mild cleanser, and it is soap free, so it is not drying or leaves your skin feeling parched whatsoever. It also contains these cellulose beads which gently exfoliate your skin and also help clearing out clogged pores. What I like to do is I just take a coin size amount on the center of my palm, just massage it up and lather it up all over my face, and I make sure to massage my face and clean it for at least a minute because you want the face wash to completely clear out your skin, and then I rinse it off. So the next product is the green tea alcohol free toner, which is a very mild toner, and it has the right amount of glycerine which hydrates your skin and also leaves it completely looking plump and refreshed. Even if you might be having oily skin and acne prone skin, do not think that your skin does not need moisture and hydration. All skin types need that, and in fact it can be even the lack of moisture sometimes that can leave your pores feeling clogged. What I like to do with this product is I take out a little bit in the center of my palm and dab it directly on my face. You can also use it with a cotton pad, but I feel it's best if you completely apply it directly on your skin and just run your fingers across and wait for about 2 to 3 minutes before following it up with the next product. I then use the green tea skin clarifying concentrate, which is basically a serum which is very lightweight and gets absorbed on your skin very quickly. I take about pea size amount on the center of my palm and just apply a few dots all over my face and massage it, and it is completely non-greasy and doesn't leave your skin feeling tacky whatsoever. It also contains licorice, which helps fade away acne spots or pimple marks, and all of these products are non-comedogenic, which is great because it means that it's formulated in a way that is not going to clog out your pores. And finally, as my nighttime moisturizer, I like to use the Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is a beautiful moisturizer that has a gel-like consistency and does not feel heavy or dense on your skin whatsoever. If you are someone who steers clear of moisturizers at night because you feel that your skin is going to look too oily and get too clogged, this is a beautiful moisturizer because it's very lightweight and it gets absorbed on your skin very quickly. I personally have to follow up with a dense moisturizer after this, because for my dry to combination skin, this moisturizer does not really cut it and I need a little bit more hydration. But if you are someone who needs a very light moisturizer and does not want your skin to feel very heavy, this is the one that you should be going for. I also like to use the green tea face mask every once or twice a week when I feel like my skin is feeling very clogged or I'm about to have a breakout. This mask has a very nice clay consistency, which is wonderful in terms of calming your skin down. So if you have pimples that are very inflamed or pores that feel very clogged at any time during the current season as well, because there's just so much of sweat and humidity, it's a wonderful face mask to use. It also helps in controlling the sebum secretions. So if you want your skin to not have breakouts every now and then just make sure that you use this mask just once a week and incorporate this in your skincare routine. I also have a bonus product to share with you guys, because this was an absolute wonderful find to have, and I'm talking about the green tea sunscreen gel. You guys know I'm always looking for sunscreens that don't leave a white cast. Excuse that. You guys know I always talk about you guys know I always look out for sunscreens that don't leave a white cast, and this is one of them. It's a very nice lightweight moisturizer, and it's also non-comedogenic, which is basically meaning that it's not going to clog out your pores. If you're looking for a sunscreen that doesn't leave your face looking white and is brown skin friendly, this is one that you must purchase. So there you have it guys, your solution to all your pore related problems and how you can combat those persistent acne and clogged pores. If you guys enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up and let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. I do hope that you go out there and try out this full range. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notifications bell, because you don't want to miss my Monday uploads. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.